Welcome to my channel, Afri-kan, where I believe you can do Afrikaans homework and you can get your sounds right and we can get through all of this. Today's sound is the brr and the drr. So we're doing two sounds, both with the drr sound. Can you go brr, 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 like a kitty? Rrr. If you struggle to roll your R, the rrr, you can try just go rrr, like almost like you growling. Rrr, rrr. Okay, just do your best. That's all we're going to ask for. Have a good couple sounds today. I think 8 to 10 sounds. It's going to be lots of fun. We'll do lots of actions. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here we have our brr and our drr sounds. Then we have our little friend. Hi, friend. En vandag het ons 8 woorde, 8 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, you counted all the way to 8. 8 words. Eerste woord, brief. A letter. You're getting a letter. This is a blue one. A blue one. Brief. Let's say it one more time. Brief. Next word we have is broek. The pants, your school broek. Your pants, your school pants. They look all nice and grey and clean, ready for school. Broek. Broek. Yes, make sure you get that K at the end. Broek. Good. Oh my, what happened? Oh, it was a very small bit. 'n klein potlood, maar het gebreek. Die rooi potlood, the red pencil, broke. Het gebreek. So to break is breek. So let's say it out nicely. Breek. Nice. Yeah, it's almost like it sounds like you broke the pencil already. Hope we don't say that to anybody. Oh my, what's happening there? Die bome brand. Die goed brand. It's burning. It's a fire in the forest. So often we can smell it. I can reuk with my neus. I can smell it with my nose. The smoke, the rook. I can reuk. Okay, let's sound it out. Brand. Brand. So the t at the end, I know you're hearing t, but you're seeing a d. And you're like, oh my word, Alexia, what? Like, no. Sometimes in Afrikaans, the d is a t sound. Let's say it again, just to remember it. Brand. Next, we have our girl. She's running. She's smiling. She's so happy about being jogging. Say draf. She's going for a run, a jog. Say draf. Draf. The easiest word in all of this, probably the hardest activity, is to go jogging. Draf. Good. Here we have our big recycling bin. The herwinningsdrom. Herwin is to recycle. You tell your teachers. I know what recycling is. It means to herwin in Afrikaans. Oof. So here we go. Our drum. 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 Oh, good. I can hear that in class. And here we have, oh, he's so cute. Got little horns and wings, and he's a klein groen draak. A dragon is a draak. I know the word draak sounds so serious. Dragon, the draak is very, very scary. But this one is the small one. I think he's nice. Okay. Again, the draak. Nice. Like, ooh, he's big. Oh, yes, there's the sound. My groen draak. Oh, cute. Okay, oh, last one, die 8ste een, the 8th word that we have is a little kitty, a little oranje. Kyk, Gingy, en hy droom, he's dreaming. Hy droom van vissies, van 'n vis, 'n rooi vis. Not even any visie, a red fish. Oh, yes. So, let's say droom. Droom. Nice. Droom. Now, I know it looks almost like drum, but if you close your eyes and then you hear the word drum and you hear the word droom, sounds different. Remember the spelling? Drum, 1 O. Droom, you say more longer word, is 2 O's. Just 2 O's. Ooh. Droom. Your O is closed as it's 2. Okay, 8 woorde. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ja, alles is klaar. We did all our words. Now for some like sentences. Ooh, say ho van draf. Yeah, that's a good sentence. Say ho van draf. Yeah, that's easy. Say ho van draf. She likes to jog. Tick. Done. Oh, that little green dragon. Oh, so cute. I know that face. Ek wens ek het 'n groen draak gehad. I wish I had a green dragon. That's a nice one. Ek wens, I wish, wens is to wish. Ek wens ek het 'n groen draak. I wish I had a green dragon. One more time. Ek wens ek het 'n groen draak. Oh, that's so lovely. Oh, okay, last one. I like this one. The kitty's so cute. It's so fluffy. My oranje kat droom van vissies. Okay. My oranje kat, orange kitty, droom van vissies. Dreaming of fish. My oranje kat droom van vissies. Oh. That's it. Oh, we've done our 3 sentences. We've done our 8 words. Yay! Well done, well done. You got it. Okay, so that's all for our lesson today about in your mouth. We were running and we got a letter and we saw the kitty sleeping. Ooh, and we even met a green dragon, 'n mooi groen draak. En ons kat, oranje kat, droom van vissies, ja. If you need more lessons or you need to see more or practice more, please go to my channel. There's more there, more. Every week I'm posting more and more sounds and things. Go there, check it out, like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when the next video comes out and you know where to find me. Easy peasy. If you need to email me, if you're a teacher, if you have sounds I haven't done, or kids have an oral coming up or a project that might need help with, let me know. I will see what I can do. I can help you, help your school. If you have poems you must practice and you need to not sure how to say, how to do, let me know. Send it to me, email it to me. I'll see what I can do. Here's my email to learn Afrikaans@gmail.com. If you like my posters, I get them from Inner Flash. She's on Facebook and she has workbooks that correlate with the same posters. So teachers, it works out great. Thank you, everybody. See you next week. Bye.